Thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm in my backyard and I'm cooking cinnamon rolls in a Dutch oven over the fire. And this is how I did it. So these cinnamon rolls, they've now been in there for about 20 minutes. And before I scoop off all the hot coals, I'm gonna have a quick look to see how they're cooking. They're looking just right. I think give them another few minutes and then we'll take them off. So it's now been exactly 25 minutes. And here we are, moment of truth. Just put a little bit of firewood on. And now take these out now that they've cooled down a little bit. There we are, fire baked cinnamon rolls, cinnamon and pear rolls. Well, there's only one thing to do. They smell incredible. They really do. So the next step, I'm just gonna take these straight off here onto my little bamboo chopping board. Wow. Which one should I start with? Let's go for that one. Oh, cooked really well underneath. Oh, look at that. Wow. The pear's cooked really well. Cinnamon, nice. The pastry's really flaky. They're incredible. So for the filling I used cinnamon and brown sugar. In fact it was soft brown sugar, and then I got a few pears from the tree in the garden. There's quite a few pear trees and apple trees. Well, that's the thing, you could use apples as well. You could also use blackberries or a blackberry jus just to finish it off. And there we have it. Wow. All the flavour right there. Cooking something sweet over the fire isn't something I'd normally do, but I hope this video has inspired you to go and try something that's a little bit different next time you're out cooking, when you're camping, or even cooking in your backyard. So that's about it. Just want to say thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. And also, I do have merch, not in a t-shirt form, however, I've got these wooden cookses, I've also got these titanium sporks, and then I've also got these bamboo chopping boards. There's more information coming up shortly. If not, check out the link below. So on that note, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.